Hello and welcome back to Dominator 675 Models, and today I'm going over what you can expect in the next few weeks on the channel and overall what's going to be sticking on the channel. First off, however, I would like to say a massive thank you to all the current subscribers of the channel. You mean a lot, and your comments in your Discord and on the videos are really helpful. What can you expect in the next few weeks on the channel? The subscriber showcase or the subscriber models are definitely staying on this channel, as I think it is the most important thing on the channel about sharing the community. So expect more tips videos, so like this, 5 tips for every scale modeler, which will be coming very soon, I can promise you that. And I hope you guys enjoy this sort of informative videos. Another video I thought you guys might want to watch is how I entered the world of models and what kits I built since I started. Just sort of a little to introduce you to me. To sum that section up, the original videos that I'm keeping on are staying on the channel. Let's get on to the more exciting topic of this video, the new stuff that's coming towards the channel. It isn't really new, but I have now got the model filler for the Douglas Dakota, so I can continue making more videos about that, and I'll explain more about the new video style in about a minute. This new kit has also arrived, and I'm really looking forward to make this jet. Haven't made a jet in a long while, so I think I should make this one on the channel too. But that is not it, we have more information to come. Decided to adapt a new style of video making where I'm going to do one actual model video per week whilst intertwining subscriber models and little tips and hacks videos. Now we're going to have build videos, so one build video a week, and we're going to have a normal video a week, just to mean that I can't rush my models to get a video out. This new style of the build updates will include the build updates and how much progress I've made with time-lapse and stuff, but I also include little tips and how I thought the model was going so far. I understand a lot of people might not like this idea, but I am still going to be doing the old videos, so don't worry. It's so I don't need to rush my models and can make better quality. Don't worry yourselves, we are on the road to 1,000 subscribers and videos will be pumped out constantly because I love making these and I love the community behind this. If you think this sort of content interests you and you want subscribed, please feel free to hit that button. Until the next video, see you soon, stay safe and keep well.